Spoiled by Coco presents Hazelnut Shortbread Cookies. It is an amazing recipe that is easy and quick to make. So let's get to it. First, in a bowl, take 10 gram of hazelnut. Lightly roast them in a microwave for 10 to 15 seconds. Then transfer them to a grinder and grind to make hazelnut flour. Keep aside until use. In a bowl, take 38 gram cold butter that is grated or cut into small cubes. Add 15 gram castor sugar, 45 gram all-purpose flour, hazelnut flour we prepared earlier, 1 by 8 teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt. Then using a spatula, I am going to combine everything such that the butter coats the flour well and the mixture has a sand-like texture. Here you can also add few drops of hazelnut extract, but I am not, since I feel like it will overpower the buttery taste of shortbread and I like this way better. Once you achieve that, add 10 to 12 gram of cold milk and mix. You do not have to knead it, just use your spatula or hands and bring everything together to form a dough. Please give the video a thumbs up, it really helps. Subscribe to my channel, also turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified each time I share a new recipe. Now I'll place the dough between parchment or baking sheet, then roll it into a sheet. If you find it difficult to roll the dough yet, then refrigerate it for 15 to 20 minutes before rolling it. Roll it into a 3 to 5 mm thick sheet depending on how thick you want your cookies. Then using a round cookie cutter, I am going to cut our cookies. Place them into another sheet and refrigerate for 5 to 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, here I have 15 gram of roasted hazelnut with me. You can also use non-roasted. I am going to crush them to make a coarse powder. Now sprinkle them over your shaped cookie, which I have removed from refrigerator after 5 minutes. Sprinkle it well on all the cookies. Once done, press the crushed hazelnut gently into the cookies so that they do not come off while baking. Bake these in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes or till the edges are nice golden brown in color. Cool them completely. Now to coat them in chocolate, here I have 150 gram melted dark chocolate. You can use milk chocolate also and add half teaspoon of flavorless oil and mix. Dip half of your cookies in the chocolate. You can dip the whole cookie, but I like to dip them half. Remove the excess chocolate and keep the cookie on a baking paper. Coat all the cookie this way with chocolate. Now this step is optional. If you want, sprinkle some crushed hazelnut before the chocolate sets. Let the chocolate coat cool completely before serving. Do try these, they taste absolutely amazing and you will be making them often. Give my video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Also subscribe to my channel, it really helps. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco.